Good morning, dear students. Our next topic is unitary method. Unitary method means a unit means 1. A unit means 1. That is unitary method. Then we will find the cost of any one unit, one number, one thing. Then we will find the number of means cost of. First we find the cost of any one thing and then we find the cost of 5 year, 10 year, any number of items cost. That is a unitary method. That is cost of 1 pen. Then you know that cost of 1 pen, that is 1 pencil cost equal to 5 rupees. Then you get 2 pencil for 10 rupees. That is 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Then cost of 1 pen you know. Then you can find the cost of 2 pen, 3 pen, 4 pen. Cost of 1 chocolate equal to 10 rupees. Then cost of 5 chocolate equal to, you need 5 chocolate. 1 chocolate, the cost of 1 chocolate equal to 10 rupees. Then cost of 5 chocolate. That is 5 chocolate, 5 tens are 50 rupees. The same method is followed here. Unit cost of 1 unit is given. Then you will find the cost of 5 unit, 6 unit, 7 unit, etc. Then the first question we goes through. One example is given. Find out the cost of bananas given in warm up. A dozen bananas cost equal to rupees 60 when we had to find cost of 5 bananas. That is 1 dozen cost is given 60 rupees. Then we can find cost of 5 bananas. That is 1 dozen means 12 bananas. 12 unit. 12 bananas cost equal to 60. 12 bananas cost equal to 60 rupees. This 12 unit equal to 60. Then 1 unit. 12 bananas price equal to 60. Then cost of 1 banana equal to 60 upon 12. That is rupees 5. Then cost of 1 banana equal to rupees 5. Then you can find 5 bananas cost 5 unit equal to 5 into 5 rupees 25. Then the cost of 5 banana equal to rupees 25. Next we come to the Mendel math. Here find the following. The cost of 2 combs is dash if the cost of 1 comb is 20. That is cost of 1 comb is given here. Cost of 1 comb cost is 20 rupees. Then you can find the 2 comb. Then a comb go 20 rupees. Then 2 comb has how many rupees? 2 comb has 2 into 20 rupees. 2 into 20 rupees. You can write in this method cost of 1 comb equal to rupees 20. Cost of 2 combs equal to 2 into rupees 20 equal to rupees 40. Cost of 1 comb and cost of 2 comb. 2 comb means 2 into rupees 20. The next question. The cost of 10 rubber band is dash if cost of 1 rubber band is rupees 7. That is cost of 1 rubber band equal to rupees 7. Then you will find the cost of 10 rubber band. 1 rubber band for rupees 7. Then you need 10 rubber band. Then how much you can pay? 10 7s are 70. 10 7s are 70. The next question. The cost of 6 cups is dash if the cost of 1 cup is rupees 35. 1 cup cost equal to 35 rupees 35. Then you can find the 6 cups cost. That is 6 into rupees 35. Next, the cost of 4 container is dash if the cost of 1 container is rupees 22. The cost of 1 container is given. Cost of 1 container. The one container cost equal to rupees 22. Then you can find the cost of 4 container. Then 4 container cost equal to 4 into rupees 22. You can see the solution here. Cost of 1 rubber band equal to rupees 7. Cost of 10 rubber band equal to rupees 7 into 10 rupees 70. Same as cost of 1 cup equal to rupees 35. Cost of 6 cup equal to rupees 35 into 6, that is equal to rupees 210. Cost of 1 container equal to rupees 22. Then cost of 4 container equal to rupees 22 into 4 equal to rupees 88. In exercise 13.3, the cost of 3 pizzas equal to rupees 150.30. Find the cost of 5 such pizzas. That is 3 pizzas cost. Here 1 comb cost is given and you can find the 2 comb cost. But here 3 pizzas cost is given, then you can find 5 such pizzas. Then here 1 comb is already given, then you can easily find 2 comb. Here 1 rubber band cost is given, then you can find 10 rubber band. But here 3 pizzas cost is given, then you will find cost of 5 such pizzas. First you find the cost of 1 pizza. 3 pizzas cost is given, then you can find cost of 1 pizzas. Then you got the 1 pizza's cost, then multiplied by it, then the cost of 5 pizzas cost you will get.